dito dyan. Hey guys, manonood tayo ng Minecraft core kasi nakapaglaro tayo sa Minecraft dun sa ating isang account. Kaya mag-subscribe kayo dito sa bagong account ko. At mag-subscribe din kayo sa isang account ko. Let's begin. Started now. Ano to sa YouTube ba?
Oh, this nether highway is gonna be so cool.
Yeah, I'm not done yet, though.
Oh, no. You saved me!
Yeah, I did.
Hey, bro, give me that emerald!
No, my mom did me.
Alright, how are you gonna stop me? Wait, what? Wait, what?
Excuse me! Stupid Enderman. Wait, I'm 1 HP! Wait! You can't get in here. Yo! Finally organized my items. This is awesome. No. Oh, my PC! Oh, my PC!
Thank you, bro. And for looking up.
Guys, may 3 lives lang tayo guys. Kagaya ng yung isa nating unumpisa guys. Kaya manonood tayo. May 3 lives tayo. Kapag tumawa tayo, may bawas na isa. Kaya sumali rin kayo. At begin. Now. Start. Now. Ayaw.
Mama, we're letting you go.
Hey, no problem, bro. I know she ain't fat.
Let's go, mommy.
That's not funny. Stop.
Don't fall.
Bro, I said stop!
Like this, and then I can do it for the
Damn, it's nighttime. It's time to go to bed. It's been a long day. Oh my god, dude.
Give me emeralds or else. Nah, your son? Nah, you ain't gonna do nothing. Who would shoot their own? Yo, this nether highway is gonna be so.
Nah, these villagers are cooked! What are they on?
Do you want to try some?
Yeah, man, let me try some! Let's go! So this is what they're seeing. Wait, why do I have grocery bags? Nah, these villagers are cooked! What are they on?
Do you want to try some?
Yeah, man,
Yo, give me your iron, bro.
Kaya tayo.
Amigo, pero si yo le pegué, necesito el hierro. ¿Qué está pasando acá en este juego?
Kapagulat. Guys. Kasi ginawa niya. Naglagay siya ng buong iron. Pero, nilagay niya yung wither. Pagtingin sa likuran niya. naging iron back na sila, may sa pumpkin yun sa apat Yeah guys, dalawa na lang na akin. Na minus tayo, na minus. Tumawak siya nakakatawa. Okay, let's begin guys. Nakakatawa kayo guys. Inhala niya. Ano yung villager? Pagulot.
Meet the tag! Meet the tag!
This is an orbital strike cannon.
Patay ka dyan.
Meet the tag!
And that was it guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung na-enjoy nga kayo, huwag kakalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Pero wait lang guys. Inang live sa tira sa inyo. Maka-comment down below naman yan. Let's begin. Bye bye.